before I get into this video, this is just a skit. Okay, we're just gonna wait for my text message, I guess. Her name is Parsley. Interesting name. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see my squishy that she's gonna make me. I want a squishy, please. Oh, she really wants one. Okay, what one? Yummy bear. I want a bear. No, yummy bear. I want yummy bear. Yummy bear. Okay. Okay, she wants a yummy bear. I'll get to it. Yay! Okay, I'm ready for it. Alright, let's make this. Alright. Should be almost ready. Yes, these are two squishies that I have made before for my other customers. Okay, so she wants a yummy bear. So a yummy bear, start coloring. Let's make this super cute. Okay, ooh, lavender. Maybe a darker lavender? No, lighter. Okay, that's kind of cute. Maybe like, no, I think pink. Let's go get a pink. Oh, there. Need a like pink or something. I don't want marble colors. Oh, here's some pinks. Okay, we're gonna make this like these cheeks light pink. Maybe lighter. Well, this is just a glossy, so I'm gonna use another. Actually, I feel like the whole bear should be like white. Okay, let's find. Oh my gosh, look how cute these ones are. Okay, I'm gonna have to like get those soon. And the pastel swirls. There's so many I can get. Okay, we got some pastels. Maybe she would like a pastel yellow yummy bear. Okay, that actually looks cute. Some blue on that side. And maybe some of this on that side. No. Brown? Chocolate? No. Strawberry? Why not? Okay, this is looking so cute. Now, why do we want brown? Peach? Okay, we're going to use some peaches. Maybe inside of the ears. No, that's a little too peach. No. Maybe I'll get... Okay, that's cute. Pretty cute. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the pinks. Make that one like maybe a darker. No, maybe I'll just make it like a blue. Maybe a light blue. Be so cute, maybe. No. Oh, I still have some more coloring down there. Silly me. So I'm going to go to the peach. Use these down here. And her belly will be... Go to the pink. And her belly will be a pink. So cute. And that up there. Oh my gosh, oranges look so cute. Okay, that looks good. And a background. No one really asks for backgrounds because I don't think they know. Some dreamy clouds. Perfect. Okay. Gonna choose the name for Pay. I'll call her Pay. Okay, we're gonna say okay. She must love this. Okay. gonna box it up for her. And super cute colors. Okay, why not pastel pink and then a pastel blue? Like maybe just a regular blue. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, gift is sent. Go to the home page. And now I can go to this one. So bad. We're gonna delete this one because it's from a rude girl. She got it. This was for my sister, so I'm gonna delete it. And for PayPay, send it to her so I can. Actually, I really like that squishy. I like my idea of a squishy. Go to the homepage. And I'm gonna say your squishy is ready. Hope you enjoy it. It's been sent it off. Your squishy, send it off to your house. Oh my gosh, it's sent it. When will it come? When will it come? It will come on the first day of school or next Wednesday. Okay. How much? How much? You're so sweet, so nothing. And I'll add a smiling face. Okay. Yay. Keep you updated. Hope you guys like this skit. This is both me because look, I can just swap. So yeah, this is just a little skit. Hope you guys enjoyed this skit. So yeah. Bye guys. Have a great day.